Hi guys, welcome to Microsoft Word Tutorials. In this video, you are going to learn about the different content alignment. We are going to start with this one, which is the right alignment. So when you align your content, you need to select that specific content. Let's say I need to align this heading. I will have to select the heading and I will go to the different alignment and choose the one that I need to use. So currently it's on the right alignment. Right, so let's say I want to place my heading on the center of the page. I will have to select this option for center, so my heading will be at the center of the page. So if I want my heading to be on the right side of the page, I will have to come and select this one is for right side. It's for right side alignment, so the heading will be on the right side of the document, of the page, So if I want my content to start from the left margin to the right margin, I'll have to use this one. It's justify, right? So I'll give you an example with this content here. Okay, let's just place our title, our heading at center, right? So now let's see how the justify work. So the justify says your content must start from the left side margin of the page to the right side margin of the page, right? So if you can look on this paragraph here, right? So the paragraph, the first sentence, the first line, starting from the left margin to the right margin. But if you can look at the following lines, they are not aligned. They are not aligned. So it means the following lines, they are not starting from the left margin to the right margin. So if you use this option here, everything will be aligned because it will be saying the content must start from the left margin to the right margin. So whatever content that doesn't reach the right margin, so it means the content is short. It means the content is short. But if the content is long, before it goes to the next line, it must reach the right margin from the left margin. Okay, if I select here, you can see now the content now is aligned. The first lines are equal, but the last one is the one that doesn't reach to the right margin because it's short. It's not that long, so it doesn't reach the right margin, right? But if you can look on the first four lines, they're starting from the left margin to the right margin. So how do you see your page margin? So when we talk about the page margin, we're talking about the space around your content on the page, the space that is created around the content on your page. So you can just go to view and then you enable the ruler. So the ruler will indicate the right margin size and the left margin size, right? So this is how you align the content. Here the difference alignment. If you select the heading, tells you that this is center aligned. And then if I select the paragraph here, it tells me that this is justify, right? Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and also like the video.